Hey guys, what's going on? It's me again, and today let's go ahead and take a full in-depth tour, start up and run an exhaust clip and engine start of my 1999 Ford Ranger XLT. Now for an interior start. Now on for an engine view startup. Here's an engine startup. Now for an exhaust clip. Let's go ahead and give it a few revs. This truck has 120,129 miles. Has a automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and cut on the headlights. Hazards. I also forgot to mention that this truck has gray cloth interior and white exterior. This truck has about 120,000 miles. It has the 3.0 liter V6, and I'll show that later in the video. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Like I said, 3.0 liter V6, and it's got plenty of power. Give proof that it's 3.0 liter. Liter EFI. Very smooth running engine. Let's go ahead and close the hood. Let's go ahead and give some more interior tour. As you can see, gray cloth interior. It's got a couple stains, but I can clean those out. It's got those little jump seats in the back since it's an extended cab. It's got some jumper cables that came with it. Another jump seat. And I put those custom floor mats in. This is my truck, so I'm taking good care of it until the wheels fall off. It's also got the standard radio. Got four-wheel drive. It's got a cassette player. Very basic, but very clean interior. Manual windows. Manual locks. Everything I love about this truck. It's mine, so yeah. So let's go ahead and show you all the bed, and then we'll end the video off. It's got Duraliner bed liner. Very good, very tough bed liner. It's made of plastic, not rubber like the spray-on stuff. It's actual plastic, and I love it. It's got the two little red triangles. You don't see it on many Rangers with the Duraliner. You don't see many of the red triangles, but mine has them. And I'm going to keep it like it. I like it. Custom exhaust tip. The old one is just regular matte tip that has an extension. So yeah, that was a video of my 99 Ranger. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to leave a like on this video. Also be sure to go check out my friend Austin's channel. He's starting a YouTube channel, starting a channel about his truck. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description box below. Again, I hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching.